How do you live stream BOCC meetings?
To stream BOCC meetings, visit citrusclerk.org and click on BOCC Agendas and Meetings and scroll to the bottom of the page. Scroll through the queue of meetings until you find the one that says Live on the date you're trying to view it. When you click on it, it'll automatically populate the agenda for the meeting. If you click on Agenda Packet to the left, it'll bring you to the agenda as well as all of the backup material provided for the agenda for that specific live meeting. It is not a cause for concern if the agenda packet takes a little while to load. As shown in this video, the blue bar continues to move, but it goes slowly. This is because the agenda packet is typically several hundred pages long, so you don't need to refresh your browser for this to load. You just need to give it a moment. Once the agenda packet loads, you will be able to see the agenda in its entirety as well as all backup material provided. You can easily scroll through and view all documents as well as item numbers. If you click on Public Notice, you will be able to view the public notice that was issued for the live meeting. If you click on Meeting Media to the left, it will bring you to the live stream of the meeting. Here you can make the screen full, and you can exit full screen, you can mute it, and you can pause and play the meeting so you don't miss a thing. When you're done, simply X out of the live meeting.
If you have any questions about streaming BOCC meetings, drop a comment below.